Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBPJPY, and as you can see that I have got few new lines here on the chart. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBPJPY. Let's try to understand what are the best trading opportunities on GBPJPY. Okay, so let's get started. So when I saw the chart of GBPJPY at first, I was quite confused because I was not getting a clear picture. If you have watched my other videos, then you know it very well that I do not like to draw many lines here. I prefer to keep my chart clean. So I tried to apply some moving averages. I was trying to analyze what is going on. Okay, so I was not getting a clear picture. Then when I switched to the chart of 1 hour time frame, okay, usually I always trade on 4 hours, but as I was not having or getting a clear picture, I switched to the chart of 1 hour. Then the picture became clear. Okay. And probably you are also getting a clear picture right now, and because you can clearly see that right now market is in uptrend. In the 1 hour chart, you can clearly see that market is in uptrend. It is going up, making higher lows, and market seems to be quite bullish here. Okay. So simple, this trend line right now acting as a dynamic support for the market, and we have the clear confirmation because this is the first touch, second touch, third, fourth, fifth, multiple times on multiple occasions. We can see that market has taken support at the trend line. Therefore, this trend line is a valid support for the market. Clear? So this if you do not have this trend line drawn on your charting platform, then I'll request you to draw this line. So this trend line is a valid support. So apart from this trend line as a support, the next important level for the GBPJPY chart is the 152.85 level. That is the line in the black color. Why this level is important, or why this line is important? To understand the importance of this line, we need to go to the weekly chart. Generally, I prefer to consult the weekly chart, but in the weekly chart, I saw nothing important. So when I switched to the daily chart, I found that market is going up, and we have a resistance at 152.84, 152.85 level. So there is a good possibility that at 152.85 level market may see some price rejection from below. Market may see some selling pressure, because if you just observe this particular portion of the chart here, then you can see that previously also whenever market tried to go up, it faced selling pressure from above. So this clearly gives us the confirmation that this is a seller's territory. Okay, this is a seller's territory, seller's zone. So once market will reach the level, therefore there is a good possibility that market will be facing some selling pressure, and you may get good opportunity to short the market. So we have a resistance from the daily chart, and we have a support from the hourly chart. And probably you have understood that the resistance is much more stronger in comparison to the support, because the resistance has been acting as a very strong resistance for a long time. So what should be a strategy then? As you can see that right now market is an uptrend, and as we all know, we need to focus on the area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity, and in the uptrend market, the best buying spot or the best trading spot is always near the support. Right now market is trading above the support. Right now market is trading in the middle. So if you buy here, your stop loss would be here, and this will be your take profit target, the resistance. So you can clearly see that your risk to reward ratio does not match, and the market is an uptrend, so there is no point of going for shorting opportunity, because that may be quite risky. You may think that this is a resistance, and you can short the market. Yes, you can short the market considering this level as a resistance, but this is not a very strong resistance. The possibility of market going down from this particular level is low, because overall right now we can see that market is an uptrend. So in comparison to this resistance, don't you think that this resistance is very strong? Obviously 152.85 is extremely strong in comparison to this one. So therefore it is always wise for you to trade on levels that are very much strong. So what should be a strategy then? The strategy is simple: wait for the market to go up or go down. If market goes up and hits this particular level, then just observe the price, how the price reacts. If you find market reversing, okay, if you find market reversing from this level, price being rejected from above, market forming shooting star kind of a pattern, then you can short the market. You'll get the confirmation that sellers are still present on the level and you can short the market. And on the other hand, if market comes down, then just observe the price at the trend line. Just see how the price is reacting once it reaches the trend line. If you see that, just like the previous time, market is respecting the trend line as a valid support, then you can go for a buy. So if price reverses from the trend line, you can easily go for a buy. Yeah, so this is a simple strategy that you can follow for GBP JPY. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a pro trader membership program on my website, okay, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you are interested in doing further, just go to the pro trader page on my website. You will get all the necessary information. Okay, so hopefully you've understood what should be a strategy for GBP JPY. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.